Hey guys, welcome to Guzdev and my name is Abhishek, and today we will see the Cyberpunk 2077 OnePlus 80 edition live wallpapers, sounds, icon packs and boot animation how to install on any Android smartphone. Now the live wallpapers can be installed on any Android smartphone running on Android 5.0 Lollipop Plus version, so you don't need to worry about. But for like boot animation and like UI sounds directly applying into the system, you need to have a rooted smartphone with Magix Manager installed. So firstly we will see how to install the live wallpapers APK of OnePlus 80 Cyberpunk edition on any Android smartphone. So let's start with the one. I have also included the sound files which are come with the OnePlus 80 Cyberpunk edition. So you can install them all, and also you can install the icon packs and the boot animation also. But there is a one catch: the boot animation or the icon packs or the UI sounds which can be installed directly on the device. These are only for the rooted smartphone. So maybe you should have the rooted smartphone with Magix Manager installed. So you just have to download the zip file and flash it through the Magix. So I will show you now. So this is how you can install the live wallpapers of OnePlus 80 Cyberpunk edition. Firstly, you have to go to the link I have provided in the description below. So I have opened the link and just scroll down. If you have the rooted smartphone, you can use this Magix module directly, and if you don't have the rooted smartphone, so you can now use the live wallpapers APK and OnePlus live wallpapers resources APK. If you install the Magix module and you still don't get the live wallpapers, so not to worry, you can install them by these methods also. So firstly you have to download these wallpapers. So going by this link, you can download now. One is the OnePlus 80 live wallpapers APK and one is wallpaper resources APK. You have to download both the files. So I have downloaded both the files. Let me go to the file manager, and here are the APKs. So these are the APKs you have to install. Firstly you have to install these resources APK. So I'll click on install, and after that we have to install the live wallpaper APK, because the resources APK is needed to run the live wallpapers APK. So I will install now the live wallpapers APK. And one more interesting thing is, with the Cyberpunk wallpaper you will get also the Oxygen OS 11 wallpapers also. So you will total get I think 7 to 8 live wallpapers with this single APK file. So now I have installed all the two files. Just need to go now OnePlus, find this OnePlus live wallpapers resources. Now you can see the wallpapers you can apply. So I will apply the 2077 edition wallpaper. Just click on set and the live wallpaper window will open. So I'll click on apply now and set. So this wallpaper is applied now. So the animation is like stops frequently. So there is another, you can see, always on mode. So I will enable this now. So now apply, now set. So this always on mode is now applied. So you can see the light is on. So I will just lock and unlock the smartphone. So you can see how it activates, just like the OnePlus 80 Cyberpunk edition. So now I will try the another, that is a long mode. If you don't want the light to be lit every time or always, you can use the long mode. This will animate the wallpaper for longer period, so you can use this. So you have to just wait for the apply button to come up. So I'll apply and set. So you can see now this wallpaper is applied. So along with this wallpaper, you will get the Oxygen OS 11 wallpapers. I have posted these wallpapers in previous videos, so you can check them out. If you can just install this APK and get these wallpapers. So let's see one wallpaper of this. So these are the Oxygen OS 11 wallpapers which are ported from the China ROM. So these are wallpapers. So I'll just unlock the smartphone again, and you can see these are the wallpapers. These looks beautiful and you should try them. So now this is all for the wallpapers. Now head towards the icon pack APK. So for the icon pack, you just need to go again the same link in the description below and download the Cyberpunk edition icon pack. So after downloading the icon pack, you can download now with this link. I have downloaded it already. So I will just go to file manager and install the icon pack. I will install the icon pack again, and it is a ported icon pack, so it should install on every Android smartphone. So interesting thing is this icon pack is not working on launchers like Nova launcher. I was using a Poco launcher. It doesn't work on that. So you have to download the launcher. So you can go to just Play Store and search for launcher. Yes. So I have downloaded it already. So you can download from Play Store and just open it. So you can see the launcher is loaded. So it will take some time. So just now press and hold the home screen button and just go to the home setting. And here you can see all the customization options. You have to apply only the icons. So just go to the icon packs and this Cyberpunk API. So the icon packs are supposed to change, but they are not changing. This is the problem. This is working only on some smartphones. Like I have tried on this smartphone also. I will install the icon pack again on this mobile and just download the launcher. So I have to download the launcher again. So this is installed now. So I will just open it just like that, and I will hold the home screen button and just go to the theme icon packs and just Cyberpunk icon pack. So you can see these are some changed, but only like a few of the apps are changed because this port is not compatible with most of the devices. But you can give it a try. If you have OnePlus device, then great. All these can work easily. So if you have non-OnePlus device, you might struggle a bit with this icon pack. So the OnePlus 8 Cyberpunk edition also comes with the stock sounds which are specific to the device itself. So I have put the download link in the description below. You can download that zip file and extract it, and you will get all the sounds from this device, that is alarm sound, UI sounds and ringtones also. So I have downloaded the zip file. Let me just show it to you. And here you can see the alarms, notifications, ringtones and UI sounds are available in the zip file. So you can just go to and set it as your ringtone, or like these. It is in-game ringtone and rock. Let me just play it. So these types of ringtones are available imported from the OnePlus 8T itself. So last one remain is the boot animation. So the boot animation is working on only some devices because the Magisk module is working on only some devices. So I have the another trick. You can use the boot animation without root on EMI UI device. I will put the Cyberpunk 2077 boot animation working on EMI UI device without any root access. So you will see in the next video. So one of my friend tried on the Lenovo smartphone the Magisk module. So he tried using this process. I will show you how he installed the Magisk module. So open the Magisk Manager and just tap on the top left corner and just click on the add button. So to add the module. So now browse for the module you have downloaded. This is the Magisk module zip file, and just browse through the directory and click on the Magisk module. So it will get automatically installed on your system. So all you have to do is now the reboot to your device. So after rebooting, the boot animation will look like this. So if you have a EMI UI device, stay tuned to my next video. You can follow us on our social media platforms on Facebook or Telegram. We have the Telegram channel and group for discussion, so you can post your questions there. I will try to answer them. So see you in the next video.
I think the girls with their nails done now.